In military aviation, a few aircraft become legends. The YF-23 is one of them. With its diamond-shaped wings and futuristic profile, the YF-23 looked like it belonged in a sci-fi movie. Born from the high-stakes advanced tactical fighter competition, it was designed to dominate the skies of the 21st century. Conceived in the tense final years of the Cold War, the YF-23 was America's answer to the next generation of Soviet fighters. The competition pitted Lockheed's YF-22 against Northrop and McDonnell Douglas's YF-23, with billions on the line. Even today, the YF-23's design looks ahead of its time, fast, agile, and nearly invisible to radar. Northrop's engineers blended speed and stealth into a single, formidable package. The YF-23 promised unmatched performance but ultimately lost to the YF-22 in a decision still debated today. Its legend has only grown, symbolizing bold innovation and the risks of thinking differently. Now, as the Air Force seeks its next air dominance fighter, the YF-23's design is being reconsidered. The ghost of the Black Widow may return, not as a relic, but as a blueprint for the future. The story of this incredible machine isn't over. Its influence lingers, inspiring new generations of engineers and aviators. The YF-23's legacy is a reminder. Sometimes the boldest ideas shape the future even if they don't win the first time. The legend reawakens. The YF-23's story begins in the early 1980s, as the Cold War intensified. The U.S. Air Force needed a successor to the F-15 Eagle, facing new threats like the Soviet Su-27 and MiG-29. The answer: the Advanced Tactical Fighter program demanding stealth, supercruise, and advanced avionics. Two teams were chosen: Lockheed, Boeing, and General Dynamics for the YF-22, Northrop and McDonnell Douglas for the YF-23. Each team built two prototypes, testing different engines from Pratt & Whitney and General Electric. The competition was a technological arms race, pushing the limits of stealth, speed, and maneuverability. Engineers faced immense challenges, blending stealthy shapes with agile performance and powerful, efficient engines. The ATF program wasn't just about building a new plane, it was about redefining air combat for a new era. The stakes were national security and technological supremacy. The world watched as America's aerospace giants raced to create the ultimate fighter. Only one would win, but both would change aviation forever. When the YF-23 was unveiled, it stunned the world with its radical, diamond-shaped wings and V-tail. Northrop's design prioritized all-aspect stealth and high-speed performance, breaking from convention. Every surface was meticulously aligned to deflect radar, and the engines were buried to reduce heat and noise signatures. Weapons were carried internally, preserving its stealth profile. The cockpit featured advanced displays and the flight control system was cutting edge for its time. Two prototypes emerged: the Black Widow II and the Gray Ghost, each with distinct paint schemes. The YF-23 was more than a fighter, it was a silent, deadly predator engineered for survival. Its design philosophy was uncompromising: see first, strike first, and disappear. The YF-23 set a new standard for what a 21st century fighter could be. It was a glimpse of the future, decades ahead of its time. The YF-23 excelled in two areas: speed and stealth. Its sleek body and powerful engines enabled supercruise, sustained supersonic flight without afterburners. Nothrop's stealth expertise gave the YF-23 an exceptionally small radar cross-section, especially from the rear and sides. The innovative GE YF-120 engine allowed for both high speed and efficient cruising. The YF-23's philosophy: what can't see you can't kill you, and what can't catch you can't fight you. Pilots could approach undetected, strike, and escape before the enemy even knew they were there. If forced into a dogfight, its speed and energy retention gave it the upper hand. The YF-23 wasn't just a dogfighter, it was built for a new era of information-driven, high-speed warfare. It redefined what it meant to be a predator in the sky. The YF-23 and YF-22 represented two visions for the future of air combat. The YF-22, which became the F-22 Raptor, focused on extreme agility, using thrust-vectoring nozzles for unmatched maneuverability. Its design was more conventional, but still stealthy. With a slightly larger radar signature than the YF-23, Lockheed believed dogfighting would remain crucial, even as missiles improved. In flight tests, the YF-23 was faster and stealthier, while the YF-22 was the king of agility. Pilots praised the YF-23's stability and grace, and the YF-22's aggressive high-G performance. Both met the Air Force's demanding requirements, but in very different ways. The competition became a debate unseen assassin or agile brawler. The choice would shape the future of American air power. Both aircraft were engineering marvels, but only one could win. The decision would echo for decades. In 1991, the Air Force chose the YF-22 as the winner. The decision surprised many, given the YF-23's speed and stealth. Maneuverability was a key factor. Thrust vectoring gave the YF-22 an edge in dogfights. Lockheed's team demonstrated aggressive maneuvers and missile launches, boosting confidence in their design. Program management and cost projections also favored Lockheed, seen as the safer bet. The YF-23's radical design and advanced engines were viewed as higher risk. Both prototypes were outstanding, but the Air Force chose the balance of stealth, speed, and agility. The YF-23 became a legend in museums, its story unfinished. Sometimes the boldest designs must wait for their moment. After the competition, the YF-23 prototypes became museum pieces, but their legend endured. Aviation enthusiasts and analysts kept the debate alive. What if the Air Force had chosen the YF-23? As air combat evolved, the YF-23's strengths, stealth and speed became even more relevant. Modern threats demand deep penetration, rapid strikes, and undetectable platforms. The YF-23's design now looks prophetic, tailored for today's contested environments. With the rise of near-peer competitors in vast theaters like the Pacific, range and speed are at a premium. The YF-23's efficient supercruise and stealth would be invaluable assets. Its influence persists in design studies and military planning. The YF-23 is more than a museum piece. It's a blueprint for the future. Its data and engineering lessons remain alive in the minds of those who built it. As the Air Force looks forward, the YF-23's legacy grows stronger. Sometimes the future circles back to the ideas that were ahead of their time. The Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program is shaping the future of American air power. NGAD isn't just a new fighter, it's a family of manned and unmanned platforms, all networked for dominance. The centerpiece, a sixth-generation manned aircraft, designed for deep penetration and control of contested airspace. The requirements, extreme range, advanced stealth, high speed, echo the YF-23's original philosophy. Northrop Grumman, inheriting the YF-23's legacy, is likely drawing on its data and design principles for NGAD. The Black Widow's diamond wings, V-tail, and buried engines could inspire the next generation. The Air Force has already flown a secret NGAD prototype, possibly influenced by the YF-23. The YF-23 was ahead of its time. Now its time may have come. The ATF competition chose one path, but today's challenges may require a return to the path not taken. The Black Widow's ghost could soon fly again, reborn for a new era. The future of air dominance may be rooted in the past's boldest ideas. Imagine a modern fighter inspired by the YF-23, infused with today's technology. Advanced materials, AI, and sensor fusion would make it stealthier and smarter than ever. Its range and supercruise would project power across continents, changing the calculus of air combat. Paired with unmanned drones, it would command the battle space, directing strikes and electronic warfare. For pilots, it would mean unmatched survivability and confidence in any contested environment. The YF-23's philosophy, see first, shoot first, vanish, would define the next era of air power. Its return would be a leap forward for national security and a testament to enduring innovation. The YF-23 story proves that great ideas never die, they wait for their moment. The future, once delayed, may finally be ready for the Black Widow to claim the sky.